We're looking at one small can of Coke Zero or one My Beer Singer. Now the Singer or the My Beer costs 39 baht. Now can you guess the price of the Coke? Now I'm going to do that at the end.
There's a hint.
No, I haven't got that in the picture.
All right.
So at the end of the video I'm going to show you the price of the Coke. So 39 baht for the single light, and you'll see at the end of the video the price of the Coke. All the tourists coming in from Japan, Korea. Okay, so we just got back to Pattaya 1. The van headed for me. Oi. We're alright. Looks like we live another day. There's Pattaya 1. Got a car coming out. We got all of this railing that I've been looking at over the last few days. And today, because of the rain, nothing has changed. So that's it for the update on the railing. We'll have to have another look some other day.
Excuse me, I need to use the elevator. I'm supposed to be meeting my mum and dad.
Hey, come on, let's go.
Hey?
Let's go.
Yeah, but I need to come inside the elevator. Can I come inside?
Here they come, look. Here's Jay. And here's Jimmy. And what are you going looking for? Chicken breast, chicken breast. Okay, so I've had a couple of hours down the beach with Jay. Just catching up because I haven't seen him for a while. Just got back to Pattaya. But I'm going into Food Mart to prepare for my dinner. Okay, so we just got back in to Food Mart. I'm going to have some of these, a couple of these Italian rolls. I'm going to make myself egg and chip butties when I get in. I'm going to have a beer on my way in and then go and knock that up. So a couple of these and on my way home. Okay, so 4 of them rolls from there cost me 56 baht, so just over £1 for 4 soft rolls. Gonna have 2 of them with chips tonight and egg, and then just sit and watch a movie, I think. But I'm gonna have a beer on my way in. It'd be rude not to. But we've still got the buses running here from Pattaya, from the bus station next to Pattaya 1. You got the entrance just up here, and we can have a look at our lampposts. So I think this is day 4 on the building of our, it's not lampposts, almost looks like it's going to be a covered area. Yesterday rain stopped play, so nothing really happened. Let's see if they've done anything today. All the concrete seems to be drying on the floor. And now they've got all of this, I don't know what it's called, the square steel to make it a little bit sturdy. So I've done it all the way down to the end today now, so that's what they've been doing. So yeah, let's see what the next step is. What are they making? I don't know, not a clue. But then I'm pretty clueless about most things. So I'm going to go and have a beer. Sit at the bar. Oh, depends if it's empty, I won't bother, but if there's a few people there I might sit down and have a beer. And then, I don't even know what the time is, must be around 6 o'clock time in the evening. So have a beer, 7 o'clock, go upstairs, get my chips on, a couple of eggs, egg and chip butties. See you later. I forgot to video what I was eating. So I got one fried egg, I got chips, I got a roll. I've already had one, really good, and I'm going to eat full when I've eaten all this. Okay, so I put my egg and chip butty together. Let me know what you think. Got salt and pepper on it, bit of red sauce. What more could you want? Yep, so there it is all together. A chip butty, chip and egg butty with some sauce. And then I'm going to watch a movie. So what do you reckon? Okay, so just about to fit a box on here. You can see the new side panels, new brake levers. So what else is there? Oh yeah, new rear light and new side panel this side. So yeah, lots of new stuff on it. Now hopefully we're going to have a back box. Okay, so now we're at the end of the video. You want to see how much this Coke is? There's the receipt there. 104 baht for a small can of Coke Zero. 39 baht for... Oh no, hold on. Is that with the beer?
That's with the beer. It was a chain. 39. The beers are all the same price.
Okay, so
39 baht for a beer.
So 39 baht for a beer.
Or 65 baht for a Coke.
65 baht for a Coke Zero. So
I wonder why there's so many alcoholics here.
that's crazy, yeah. It's crazy. Copycat. So we've got dog shagging now. So I don't know whether this is I don't know whether this is allowed on YouTube, but I get all sorts of interesting things happening in front of me. I was in Tenerife. I took a picture of a dog having a shit, but I've never had one shagging.